flow rate is optimal, 75 psi.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Scan complete. Reading 4.2.
Confirmed. Moving to the next quadrant.
Agricultural drones use thermal imaging to assess crop health, providing real-time data to technicians in the field.
The alignment is perfect on this row. We are maintaining the optimal airflow.
Confirmed. The precision is excellent.
Check the skin quality on this one, plot 12.
Looks good. Note the soil adherence score.
Keep an eye on the alignment here, it's shifting.
Yeah, I'm making the adjustment now.
Look at the debris count here. It's lower than the last run.
The adjustments worked. Easy, easy now.
Keep your on this side.
On this side. And stop.
Check the flow rate on the north conveyor and adjust the paddle slightly.
Flow rate steady. Adjusting paddles now. Calibration looks good.
In 2 miles, take the exit toward the potato chip factory.
Check the axle 3 reading. It seems high.
Noted. Logging the variance now.
The PC-24 undergoes final clearance before delivering its payload to the processing center.
Easy now, easy. Keep it coming slowly. All right, hold it right there. Stop. Perfect, you're good.
We're seeing a spike in undersized defects right here.
Noted. Rerouting the batch to line 3.
Using high-resolution optical scanners, every tuber is analyzed individually, allowing the robotic arms to optimize spacing on the line.
Inside the PC-47, precise air jets create a soft aerodynamic push, efficiently removing moisture.
The flow patterns look stable.
Yes, the agitation is perfectly gentle today.
The automated doors of the frying chamber slide open smoothly, revealing the shimmering fry zone as the potato slices approach the hot oil.
We're maintaining perfect stability across the array.
Confirmed. The PC62 sensors are highly accurate.
The RPMs are steady at 3,500.
Acknowledged. Maintaining setting on PC-66. Sensitive acoustic sensors analyze the crispness of each chip by detecting microsounds.
At the tunnel exit, AI-driven camera systems scan each chip's surface color, comparing hue and saturation against ideal parameters. Defective chips, such as burnt or overly curled pieces, are swiftly removed by targeted air jets that fire with millisecond timing.
The fully inspected, perfectly crisp chips travel toward the seasoning area on a polished conveyor belt.
Maintaining the precise rotation is key to the flavor distribution.
And the automated arms are compensating well.
Chips flow onto a multi-tiered sizing conveyor, where vibrating stainless steel mesh panels separate them by dimension.
Smaller chips drop through precision-cut mesh openings into a secondary stream dedicated to byproduct packaging or alternatives.
Throughput increased by 5% this hour.
Yes, the adjustments seem to be working perfectly.
AI-driven camera arrays capture hallucinations. The PC-94 utilizes advanced suction technology, ensuring millimeter accuracy. Inventory sync complete for aisle 9. Proceeding to the next sector.
Is the shipment manifest confirmed?
Yes, scanned and signed. We're cleared for departure.
Merge onto the interstate highway. Keep straight for the next 200 miles. Current ETA is 1600 hours.
Verifying manifest for PC-105 at Dock 7. All codes confirmed.
Move the first pallet to conveyor belt 3.
PC-13 Crisps, the taste sensation sweeping the nation.
Wow, look at all the flavors, Dad. Can we get some?
Sure thing, grab your favorite.
Get the big bag of the cheddar! No, we have to get the spicy one. Yeah, those are the best.
The chips are ready. Come and get them, everyone. Come on in. We're just about ready.
Look at this one. Cheers, everyone.
Ooh, making a toast now.
Best chips in the world.